Hello everyone, welcome to this video titled Sandbox Metaverse Crypto. So Metaverse tokens are considered as units of online virtual currency that can be used to carry out various transactions in the Metaverse. These tokens have attracted the interest and attention of big traders and investors. There are various examples of tokens such as 𝐼𝐶𝐸 Infinity, AXS, Decentraland, MANA, Engine Coin, ENG, UFO Gaming, UFO, and the Sandbox SAND. Now let us focus on one particular Metaverse token, the Sandbox. So what exactly is the Sandbox? Well, the Sandbox is a virtual metaverse that is blockchain based. Here players are allowed to build, play, monetize and own their virtual experiences. The users are enabled to play a game and via it trade their digital assets. The Sandbox was launched in 2011 by 𝐼𝐄𝐀𝐄𝐒. This platform allows all players, creators and artists to unleash all their talent and creativity. Its token SAND is the primary utility token which helps users trade assets and lands in the metaverse of the Sandbox. It also helps in transactions carried out on this platform. The chief mission of the Sandbox is the introduction of blockchain into the mainstream. It provides a creative model to help users play and earn at the same time. Users can be both creators as well as gamers. The Sandbox provides a great platform for an ever-growing gaming community. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share. If you would like to know more about this topic, do subscribe to the channel and tap the bell icon so that you never miss out on any of our videos. If you are an influencer and looking for sponsorships, then download the Flytant app from the link in the description.